In this video, we're going to run through a new Ceros interaction, as well as how you can create more accessible carousels. To start, we're going to review the toggle reduced motion functionality in Ceros. This is an interaction that gives the user the opportunity to disable all of the animations within the experience. This becomes important when creating accessible content for any users with motion sensitivity. To set up the toggle to reduce motion interaction, simply create a button at the top of your experience. Select the button and navigate to the Interact tab. Here, you'll just want to apply an interaction that says on click, toggle reduced motion. And that's it. Now when the user clicks to toggle reduce motion, it will disable the animations within the experience. Now, let's take a look at how you can make your carousels accessible. To start, import your assets and align your slides on your canvas. Your slides can be images, text boxes, videos, or groups of all of the above. Now let's apply an area label to each slide that explains which slide it is. For example, here we'll write slide 1 of 3. Now in our Layers panel, let's arrange all of the slides into a group. We'll name this group Carousel Slides. Be sure to only leave the visibility of slide 1 toggled on, and turn off the remaining slides by clicking the eyeball icon next to each layer. The next thing we'll want to do here is add our arrows. Over each arrow, let's draw out a hotspot, making sure to add area labels to both of them. For example, we'll write click here to cycle to the next slide, and click here to cycle to the previous slide. Now it's time to set up our interactions. On the forward arrow hotspot, we can apply an interaction of on click, cycle next, then carousel slides group. And on the back arrow hotspot, let's apply an interaction of on click, cycle previous, then carousel slides group. To stay organized, we're going to place each arrow and hotspot in a group in the Layers panel and name that Controls. Staying in our Layers panel here, let's group both the Slides and Controls groups into a larger group called Carousel Group. And on the Carousel group, we'll add an HTML section tagged of Section. We also need to be sure to add an area label to the Carousel group. We recommend making this description fairly short because the goal is to succinctly convey that this group is a carousel. As a final step, we'll want to add a screen reader only text attribute to the carousel group that explains the purpose of the carousel and how to navigate it. This is text content that will solely be communicated by screen readers. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to create accessible pop-ups.